Hey, good morning, guys. Let's go over VET. Well, I've got some price predictions that are pretty crazy. We could be hitting. How about 118%? Not unrealistic whatsoever. I will show that to you guys with proof, show you guys where our indicators are looking, and let's just dive right in here. We're also going to go over the metrics today. I'm going to give a full analysis on Ethereum, even what Wells institutions are looking to do as well. So let's dive in here, guys. We are currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins on our channel. We've never lost a crypto trade, and although the market is tanking, mainly because I believe the S&P 500 is tanking right now, we are still doing very, very well. Most accounts are down around 50 to 60%. We're only down here about getting close to about 12% in here, and that's it. Our risk management that you guys are going to learn on this channel is very, very good and is why we have never lost a trade. Okay, let's dive in here and I'll show you in the second half of the video how to get into our trading program, how to trade with me, all that fun stuff. Okay, it's going to be a blast. For VET, this is the trade that we're managing right now. We got it November 10th, November 16th, November 21st, and then we got in on the buy limit, the fourth one that just got hit, and this was yesterday. So the full update on this was yesterday on January 22nd. So we're going to come down here. We're going to change this to being hit on January 22nd. I want to do all this live with you guys so you can see this. January 22nd. Okay, now that this has hit, I've already calculated this, but everybody saved themselves. Listen, guys. Everybody saved themselves just by having the fourth buy limit set up. They saved themselves 12% by doing nothing. Guys, you literally like the S&P 500 people are trying to make 10% a year on that. You guys just saved 12% on this. So I know a lot of people in VET ended up FOMOing into these higher positions up here and did not use any risk management. And that is why, guys, I'm seriously telling you guys, the average account down right now is down 50 to 60%. You're down about 62% right now if anybody FOMOed in up here. Those of you guys who are long-term holders, which this is one of the reasons why I do not believe it is best to be a long-term holder. It's better to get in and out of the markets. Anybody who's been holding up here, holding for all-time highs, you guys are looking at a decrease about 73% in your accounts. So it's very realistic right now that people are probably down, looking at your own account, maybe down around close to 50, 60%. Now, our first buy limit was way up here. Why? Because there was no telling if VET was just going to come here, break this, and then start skyrocketing up even higher. So how do you take advantage of a pump? You have to get some money in the market. Or else, guys, let me just be honest here. Let's play both sides of the coin here so we're not like biased on one side. If VET started to crazy move up here, guys, we still would have had money in the market and we'd done well. But we have to always use good risk management. Instead of being down 62% right now, all of our traders are only down here about 47%. Okay, you've saved yourself almost 20% just on this trade. So when everybody FOMOed in up here, they're going to have to wait for this to get all the way back into the profit. But once the price actually gets back to where a lot of people got in up here, you know, honestly, guys, not trying to be rude, but FOMOing in, everyone's going to be making on this trade about 40% in their accounts. 40% is insane. Okay, this is why you guys use our strategy. This is why you guys are over here and following us and subscribed. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade this correctly. All right, let's take a look at this. Trend dashboard. Majority of retail indicators over here are bearish and they're red, and that's where people are selling the markets. We hit our fourth buy limit. This is extremely favorable for us. And what we're seeing over here as well right now, if you guys take a look at this, the well money flow, the price was well money flow, and the trend exhaustion, we're seeing that we're getting down to these lower levels again. When this happens, this is where we're expecting to see moves back up. What we ended up hitting over here was what's called a capitulation stage, where we just started moving down and kept moving down. What's most likely happening here, look at the trend exhaustion, guys. This is starting to move up while price is moving down. This is even seeing a low and a possibly higher low moving back up here soon, which is divergence calling a move back up here soon. This right here ended up seeing the double bottom while money was flowing into the market, which called the pump back up right here. Do you guys see that? All right, this can get very bullish very soon. Now, the reason why you guys want these indicators are they're calling the bottoms and the tops with literally 80% accuracy over here. Bottom called here, we saw a move back up. We saw the trend exhaustion overextended here with the divergence that I showed you guys. That's where we ended up seeing the pump back up. Although we didn't get it right away, we did actually see a correlation to a move back up in the market when that happened. All right, even this here, we ended up seeing that move back up, and now I'm watching for this move back up here again. Guys, out of all the ones you can use out there, I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers 2.5 years ago. This is what you guys want to be getting. These two indicators right here. When the drop happened in here, the well money flow got low, trend exhaustion got low. This was a great time to show that you guys should have been buying. This also called the pump up right here in the market. You guys can see that right there. It called the pump up right here. You can see correlated down there. It also called the bull run that happened right here before it happened, simply with the trend exhaustion being in the lower red section. All right, incredible. Okay, now let's go over something else that's even not even more fun. It's fun as well. Let's take a look at the daily time frame for a second. I keep all my indicators on the 4-hour time frame, just so you guys know. That's why I believe they are literally the most accurate. But look at the oh my gosh, I didn't realize this. Look at the daily time frame with the trend exhaustion and well money flow. Look how low this is. Look what happened at these past areas where we've been down here. Do you guys see this? The market reversed here into a pump phase. We ended up hitting a crazy bull market. Even over here, we ended up seeing a crazy jump in VET. We saw a crazy jump in VET here as well. Even down here at the low points, we saw the jumps. Maybe it's actually good that I did show this to you guys. Look at this. If you guys want to get into the markets with ridiculous accuracy and use these indicators, these are the ones that you guys want. This is showing you when the market's low here, when you should be getting into the prices. It's because it's due for a move back up. That is what I'm expecting here. That's what I'm expecting here as well. All right, now let's get even into maybe more fun stuff. What's a prediction of where we could be going from here, because we've been here 4 times before? How about 119%? 112%, 43%, and 118%. So honestly, guys, like, yes, I know I can come over here and be like, well, what about this one over here where we dropped down and we actually ended up fully going up to 196, maybe close to 200%. I think a realistic perspective here, not to just come out here and be like, oh guys, we're going to go back to the all-time high and just throw out a crazy thumbnail on YouTube and be like, oh, we're going to go up 300%. No, I think a reasonable move back up here is a halfway move back up to previous structure high on the chart, which has put us right around this area. So from this area, a realistic gain, I believe, is about 110% move back up. 110. It's not clickbait. It's an actual realistic explanation here of why that could happen. It's also a 50% Fibonacci retracement. I know I don't think we're going to go down further than this, but a retracement back up would be 50%. Guys, this is bullish. I'm actually glad I showed this to you on the daily time frame. This is getting nuts. VET right now, guys. Whew, this is the bad boy you want to watch. This could make you guys a ton of money. Okay, let's go into even more data now to look at VET on the side of the actual metrics, which you guys get access to all these with our membership. All the metrics, as well as all the entries, all the trade calls we make. You guys get literally, I'm gonna cheat here. It's $49 a month and it's going up to $95. Do not miss this. Treat yourself for this next year, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Most likely we're gonna see this move into the anxious section. Great. Retail traders getting emotional and anger and anxiety taking over in their souls. That means Wells institutions are going to buy. Prove it to you guys. Trades in favor? Absolutely long trades right now, not short trades. Hopefully you guys aren't taking short trades in this market right now. If this doesn't prove it, you guys might be not, you might want to stop trading. This is time to be going long right now. Like, do you guys realize like zero's like right here? It's not even that far away. If you actually come in here and show like where zero is, like we're not that far away. And this is basically the 0 point for VET because we've bounced so many times from this area. Oh man, if I could trade VET on Coinbase right now, I would easily throw in $10,000 to buy this trade right now. Well, institutional smart money. This is showing us that we are easily seeing down here that Wells are buying this dip. Wells are buying the dip. Last time they did this, they did end up spiking the price back up. Last time a lot of accumulation was had here was when we started pushing up into this bull run. Now, here's the thing, guys. I'm going to be honest, and this is just a true fact. Wells and institutions don't always get their ways. They don't always get their ways. Why? Because there's a crazy, ridiculous whale out there, and it's called the collective retail traders. And they, when they get emotional, can actually go completely against the billions of dollars in hedge funds. Prove it to you. Go look at GameStop. We all know about the short squeeze on GameStop. The institutions were going short. People got together on Reddit and said, hey, look, let's squeeze all of the institution short trades. And it exploded because institutions were forced to cover their losses on the shorts and go long with retail traders and with Reddit. And that is why it exploded. Okay? That can happen on these markets as well. And I'm actually watching for that exact same scenario to happen on Bitcoin, which I'll do a video later today, this evening for Bitcoin this weekend. Support and resistance prices, guys. For VET, look, like we're at the bottom. The move up here easily to come up here is around 8 cents. Okay, let's look at 8 cents in the market here. 8 cents is this structure. Our break-even entry is here. We probably have the greatest break-even entry on all. Like, here's what you guys to look at. Look, some of our coins are in drawdown, but I'm pretty sure we have the best break-even entries out of mostly everybody that's trading crypto right now. Because I don't say this to be arrogant. Please don't take that the wrong way. But I don't believe anybody has been doing what we're doing. I haven't been able to find it on YouTube or anywhere else where we're using 4 different buy limits spread out this far with this good of risk management. So we are probably, arguably, the most healthy YouTube channel in the crypto account right now. I say this a lot, but BitBoy Crypto has lost over $10 million, and he's probably down close to $15 to $18 million right now in his account. That's ridiculous. Guys, we're only down about, okay, now we're pushing down even further, about 12%, no, I'm sorry, excuse me, guys. This is down about, so 9, that's 10, so, I'm sorry, guys, I'm like doing math here. It's about 12%. Yeah, about 12% we're down here right now. That's not hardly anything. At 11.7, right? Okay, back to VET here. Let's get over to the metrics here. I want to show this to you guys. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys are into holding, if you're a diamond hand hodler, you guys should be buying right now. Seriously, like if you're not, like you guys get paid, right? Like I don't mean this to be rude, but like you guys get paid on Fridays. Like, are you guys actually getting money in the market? Because I do believe this is a great time to be getting money in the market here. A lot of people are thinking, oh, VET is just going to go down and disappear. Well, I'm going to tell you guys, the sentiment right now is that this is where the markets are going to bounce. I still have $25,800 that I'm buying this dip with. 25,000. Like I'm buying this, guys. Are you buying the dip? Okay. So please, guys, don't take this as me being arrogant or anything like that. It's to try to show you guys this is where you want to be buying the dips here right now. When this starts moving back up here, I'll show you guys when this red bar comes out here. I probably won't show you. You need to have the membership to be able to see this of when this dips back down here because we're going to watch for that drop down. When we're in the profit, we're going to look to take some exits, okay? Overall, the metrics are looking very bullish. Now, how do you trade with us and how do you get into a trade right now, today, for VET with good risk management that I can almost quote unquote guarantee you guys are going to win, hands down? I'll show you right now. I'll show you how to get into that trade that you can, if you want to make money, watch the rest of this video, period. Our membership is $49 a month. Okay, this is going to go up to $95 a month starting February 25th. I know it's a hard time, guys. People are like, oh, I don't know if I should have my membership. Guys, stay in here because this is where you guys want to get all these tools because the people who stay in here are going to be making the most money because we're going to be calling things out. You're getting into the market. You're getting good support. And not only that, you're going to be saving 100% on your membership, close to 100% because we're almost doubling this here every single month. So imagine getting in right now at $49 a month, and then we are going to be upping this, and before you know it, it's going to be $95. And everyone's going to be like, man, I really wish I got in at $49 because we have some incredible things planned for this next year. I won't go into them too much, but basically you guys are going to be able to get on Zoom live with me and we're going to go over the markets and we're going to do this as a family and we're all going to meet together. Okay, it's going to be really, really fun. That's going to give you guys access to all of the metrics over here as well as all the entries. Now look at the entries. Here's what I want to talk to you guys about. Let's set this up right now. VET. I want you guys to click VET right now this morning and click this. All right. Here's what I want you to do. Follow me on Bitcoin because the strategy is the exact same. All 102 wins that we've taken have all been taken with this one single website page right here, tradeconfident.io under the live trades. Now, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these metrics are going to update. Here's what you're going to do. Follow me. On VET, you're going to do the exact same thing. Right now, on VET and all of our coins, you have 4 yellow lines below the current price. Okay, 4 lines. What you're going to see is you're going to have 4 buy limits. Take the amount of cash you want to trade with. I'm going to just say, let's pretend you guys have $1,000. You pick the amount. Split it into 4 equal portions of 25% each. That's 250, that's 250, that's 250, and that's 250, all right? Set all the buy limits up at the exact same time in your exchange. Again, this is for VET and all of our coins. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit up here so you guys can get into an exit in case we just explode overnight, all right? Now, for VET, it is okay if you guys want to market order in immediately with 25% and not wait for the first buy limit to get hit based off the metrics today because we're so low. I don't say that a lot. I usually tell you guys to wait, but since VET is so low, you can go ahead and market order in with 25% right now. Guys, seriously, I literally had one of my team, Jake, last night. He got into VET. I'm like, dude, he got into VET last night. Like Jake, you guys know Jake and Josh. They're part of our team, part of our family, our business. Okay, he got into VET. Very good move. Very smart move, okay? Looking at this down here, all you guys want to do is split into 4 equal portions and then set your buy limit up. Now, that you've set that up, come over here and join me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits for you guys on these coins and showing you how to get the insider info of how to exit in the profit in the Telegram channel. Sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link, and that'll give you guys a hot link into the Telegram channel where we're using the trend exhaustion and price versus wall money flow to call exits on these trades. Okay, the indicators now, the last thing I want to show this to you guys, and I'll show you guys the setup over here on VET, and then I'm actually going to show you guys how to set up an alert so you guys can exit in the profit here with probably some pretty easy cash here. All right, take a look at this. The indicators, I'm going to fly through this. The bundle pack is 81% off. Get it today. Period. The indicators you guys need to follow me and to get our crazy, win rate of 102 wins, never losing trades. It's the price versus wall money flow. It's the trend dashboard and the trend exhaustion. These three are going up in price in 7 days. That's all you guys have left. Do not miss out on this sale. They're never going to be this cheap again. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. If you get the bundle pack, you're basically going to be paying the exact same price for these three, but you're actually going to get all 9 of our indicators with the bundle pack, and you guys are going to be able to get all of those today. It's a one-time purchase, not a monthly fee, and you get the source codes to all of our indicators. Literally, guys, I've had the COO and the CMO of TradingView try to purchase the indicators that I've made in the past for thousands of dollars. And I said, no, I'm sorry. I appreciate that. I'm going to keep them for our members. These indicators are extremely powerful and arguably some of the best on all of TradingView. It's what we've used to have the highest win rate on all of TradingView for 102 wins in a row. And arguably, possibly the healthiest channel on all of crypto right now, because we're using these indicators in risk management. Okay, VET, that trade setup I just showed you guys that you're going to click into. You're going to go over here. You're going to go to live trades. You're going to scroll down to VET right here. You're going to click that. Those 4 buy limits, you're going to market order 25% right now. I'm not a financial advisor. Make that very clear. These are just personal suggestions. 25% entry. If it goes up here, you guys are all going to make money. Easy. Like seriously easy. If it goes down here and your second buy limit is hit, guess what? Your break-even entry is going to go down with you. If your third buy limit's hit, your break-even entry is going to go down further. If your fourth one's hit, your break-even entry is going to go down further. Just as it has over here. And we have saved ourselves a lot of money in this trade. We've saved ourselves from losing on this about 30%, 28.74% that we've saved ourselves for those of you guys who are in this trade. Does that make sense? How the power of this strategy, there's no better way to trade crypto. No better way, period, to trade crypto than with this strategy. It is dollar cost averaging into incredibly strong structure supports. What I do is I specifically move these out in specific areas where we can get the most money into the market, where I think the market's going to bounce back up. That's what you guys are really paying for, and the expertise. You're literally copying a winning strategy that's never lost, and you guys are getting that on your side when you sign up for the membership. Tony Robbins said this, and I'm going to end it with this. He says, you can accomplish anything you want in life. All you have to do is go find someone who's accomplished it and copy what they're doing. You guys want to never lose a crypto trade again and be one of the healthiest channels and be one of the healthiest accounts on all of crypto? I will teach you guys how to do that, and that's what you're going to get when you guys get our membership. Come over here. I know I'm marketing, and I'm not ashamed to market this. I know the value, and I'm going to save you guys hundreds of thousands, if not tens of thousands, depending on what counts you guys are doing. It's $49 a month for crying out loud, guys. This is so ridiculously cheap, and we're going to be upping this February 25th. Invest in yourself by getting this, and we are also going to be, like I said, we're going to be releasing what's going to be called Crypto Inner Circle Acceleration Training, where I'm going to start teaching you guys masterclass level things in our membership. Everyone who has a paid membership is going to get access into that, guys. Everyone who has a paid membership. That's why we're upping it. So if you want a literally unlimited tickets into all the master classes that we're going to do, you do not have to pay $95 a month. You can get in at $49 a month, and those are starting in March, okay? Right after we up it, it's going to be starting in March, okay? Seriously, this is why I did a poll last night on YouTube to ask you guys what you wanted to actually see in the masterclass training in that inner crypto acceleration. It's coming out. We're working on it right now, and it's going to be super fun. And the stuff I'm going to teach you in there is stuff I've never been able to teach you guys on even YouTube before. So it's going to be absolutely awesome. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Make sure you're getting the indicators in the description. Make sure you guys get the membership set up before that goes up in price. You guys get the source codes. Oh, I'm sorry. I told you guys I would show this to you how to set up an alert. Okay. All of you guys getting in right now and this moves back up, all you're going to be looking for is the trend exhaustion to come back up in the top red section here, and then you're going to be taking an exit. How do you get an alert when the trend exhaustion is up here? Because guess what? This is where the drops are happening in the market, is when it gets to the top red section, and you want to be looking to take some profits. I'm proving this to you guys here. Here's what you do. Set up the alert. Come up here to the alert section. Click on VET once you have the trend exhaustion installed, and click trend exhaustion. Now, come over here and click watch for drop. I would do once per bar, and all you're going to do down here is you're going to do this. You're going to do VET, watch for drop. And that's all you guys are going to do. Set it up to your email, set it up to a pop-up on TradingView, get a notification on your phone if you want to set up TradingView there, click create. This is now going to set up an alert and give you an alert when VET starts crossing up here, the trend exhaustion for VET crosses up in the top red section. I wouldn't doubt if that could easily push us back up to this structure high right here. So you guys are probably looking at around a 30% win you can take here very quickly. Jake, if you're watching this video, seriously, dude, I know you're like, you're literally part of our family here. Like, I'm not kidding. You could probably take about a 31 to 30% pump on this move just by watching this indicator. All of you guys watching this now, get into VET, watch the trend exhaustion when it gets back up here because it's calling drops about 80% accuracy, which is insane. And you guys could possibly do 30% here within the next, I would say, 4 to 5 days. Guys, there you go. You now just watched a video with all the analysis that you need, how to get into a 30% pump. And you guys, this thing could go up a whole lot higher. Like I said in the beginning, about 110% is not unrealistic for a move back up here. You now know where to get all the metrics so you guys can get behind the scene access to all the coins. And you know how to get into the Telegram channel to join me as I'm calling exits for us because we've never lost a trade. And you now have all the best entries for all the trade setups for all of our coins with our membership before it goes up. That is where you guys need to be spending your days today before we go into the weekend, setting this up and treating yourself to great education in 2022. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description as well as I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. Get into the membership, get the bundle pack, guys. Treat yourself, seriously, treat yourself, splurge on yourself with this and go into 2022 with a family that's going to help you guys protect your money. And I think we're going to do absolutely incredibly well. And we're probably going to shoot for 200 wins in the year of 2022. All right, guys, God bless you so much. I'll see you later. Everything you need in the subscription. Secure it, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.